Today's video is going to show you how you can reorder fields on a form. For instance, perhaps you didn't like the order of these fields that we've got here, and this is just a demo form, and you wanted to rearrange and reorder these fields. We're able to do this through our form builder. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's click on Manage Records, and again, this works for all records. The way that you create a form and alter the reordering of these fields is exactly the same way for every single record in your system. So we're going to go ahead and find clients, and we're going to go choose our form. Excuse me, as this loads, and we'll go ahead and click edit. So we're not going to add any new sections or any new fields today, but obviously this is the same way that you would do that. Today is just purely showing you how you can do the reordering of fields to suit your business. Perhaps you have specific questions or data you want to fill in a concise order. So we'll go ahead and click next. You can also just use the keyboard. I forget that I do this sometimes, so I'm just flicking across using my keyboard and my arrow keys. And these are all the fields that are on our form. And what you can do is literally just drop and drag however you need to. And this is how you reorder fields, and it's the same with reordering sections. So I might go ahead and I might move other details above the address details. I'm going to put weight first. Perhaps you go ahead and get them to stay on the scales before they go measure their height. I don't know, just random things. But yeah, so this is how you can just drop and drag things. We'll put weight there, and we'll click next and submit. Right, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click this plus button once this form has gone and saved into the system. Great. Okay, we're going to go change our form to the form that we just edited. And as you can see, our weight has now been reordered to be first over before height. So that's just how you can reorder fields on the form and customize the layout to suit your business needs. Thanks.